Hey guys, welcome back to another. Turn that down. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are making sweets. So first, you're going to. I call them graham cracker numminess. So you're going to need frosting, chocolate or vanilla or strawberry. I really don't care, just frosting. 2 graham crackers. Stop. Mini marshmallows if you want. And mini chocolate chips, or you can have the big chocolate chips. It doesn't really matter. So you're gonna break these into halves. My cousin is here too to try them. No? Okay, he's not here. No, he's not. He's not here. No, stop. So, icing. We put ours. What are you doing? We put ours in the fridge, but you guys don't have to keep it in the fridge. Stop being weird. It doesn't need this much icing, And you're gonna ice your cookies, or your graham crackers. What are you doing? Sir, do you need something? Don't mind the noise. My dad and his dad are upstairs. Tasty! Grab a spoon and eat frosting. This isn't enough for the next time you eat it, so grab a spoon.
Me eat?
Eat some. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put some marshmallows on these. Well, I am at least. He's not. He's just being rude. Can I get a zoom in on these snackies?
I know how. I'm not stupid. Tasty.
Tasty. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put some chocolate chips on these. You don't have to place these individually like I did with the marshmallows. You can just like sprinkle these on. These are gonna be so good. You want some of these? So now you guys got your yummy nummies.
Yummy nummies.
That's what I'm calling them, yummy nummies. Don't eat yet. I got to take...
That mine?
Hold on. Sorry about that. I kind of spilled them. Because I was trying to show you guys it. Those are the yummy nummies. Marshmallows, chocolate chips, frosting, graham crackers. Okay, we're gonna try them now. Okay, try one. You can have that one, I'll have this one. Is it good? Okay. like that. That's really good. Yeah.
Wait, they won't.
Oh, you're giving them some? Please don't get out on my camera. And then if you have extra frosting, you can just eat it. It's good. Have a good day. Bye.